Hello everyone and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best online courses on user experience and design. So these are courses that actually comes with certificates. So upon completion of these courses, you are going to be earning a certificate. So either you are learning it for online, to take up online works or offline works, to build your portfolio. These are courses that comes highly recommendable. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you both free and paid courses. Exactly. So before we get to this video, if you are new to PE Academy or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I kindly take our time to subscribe to this channel and also give the video a thumbs up if you actually find value in the video. Also, all of the courses I'm going to be recommending in this video, they are going to be looking at 4 courses, a combination of both free and paid courses. I'm going to be sharing the links in the description of this video so that you can also take out time to watch some of those videos immediately after this. Okay, so without wasting time, let's head over into the video to look at some of the best user experience design courses that are very great for you. All right, so the first one we are going to be looking at is a complete guide to user experience design. So this is the first free course we are going to be looking at. So you can say, it says this free online course will teach you the fundamental UX design principle and many different design trends. Exactly. So there are certain principles, there are certain things you need to know when doing user experience design. So this course is going to give you insight into all of this. So you can see so far it has over 10,000 learners already enrolled for this course, and then it's a 1 to 3 hours course. Exactly. So it's something that you can just go through in a day without wasting too much time. And then if need be for you to go through the course multiple times to understand the concept of the course, then you can do that all within a day. So let's look at the course module. It has just two modules. The first one talks about the ultimate UX design guide. Second one, the ultimate UX design glossary, right mindsets to achieve success, how to differentiate and find your advantage, the ultimate, and then this is a summary. So the module 2 is a course assessment. After completing the course assessment, and then you go beyond the pass mark, and then you'll be able to get your certificate. Exactly. So if you scroll down, you say, thanks so much. The platform has been very helpful. So these are reviews from the course. So this is the first course I want you to check out under user experience design. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. So once you come on this page and then you click on start course now, then you'll be able to get started with this course on user experience design. So this is the first one. And then you can see that the course was put together by Debbie Jovita. You can see she's an award-winning UX designer. So she's going to be putting in from her wealth of experience into this course. So do make sure you check it out. So now let's look at the second course. The second course talks about, the title is Foundation of UX Design. Exactly said. It says this free online course will show you how to complete the user design process successfully from start to finish. Exactly. So it's taking you step by step how to create a great user experience design from start to finish. So it says, so if you look at the description here, it says, are you a UX designer interested in a deeper understanding of creating the best possible experience for your user? Or maybe you are interested in getting a dream job and a rewarding user experience design career. Whatever your UX dilemma and aspirations are, you are at the right place. This free online UX design course will help you discover how to master user experience design and design your UX career roadmap. So this is another course that comes highly recommended. We can see by the same Debbie Jovita, just like the other course. So, but you can see that this is a 6 to 10 hours of learning. So this course will have more in-depth informations and tutorial for you as long as user experience design is concerned. So I'm going to share a link to this also in the description of this video. So once you come here, just go ahead and click on start course now, and then you'll be able to get started to learn about the foundations of your user experience design. Okay, so this has 5 modules. So if you look at the first module, talks about foundation building and becoming a great UX designer. Then UX designer interview, portfolio and career advancements. And then here it talks about the ultimate UX design guide, and then UX design now communication and collaboration. Exactly. So from the course module, you should know that this content is this course is actually loaded And then let's look at, see if you can find one or two review. You can see the instructor, Debbie Jovita, was really good, really talented, really active. Content also was really good and easy to understand. Recommend to everyone who wants to learn about UX. So like I said, this is a course that comes highly recommendable, and you can see it from that review also. So just check out the link in the description, and then once you come in, just click on start course now, and then you start your journey into user experience design. Okay, so now let's look at the third one. So this third one is a diploma course, Diploma in Adobe XD as UX and UI Design Masterclass. So what this course focuses on is to put you through UX and UI and UX design using this Adobe XD. You can say learn how to create functional, user-friendly websites and mobile app with Adobe XD in this free online diploma course. So if you look at this course, is about 13,000 students already enrolled so far, and it's 10 to 15 hours of learning. So you should expect a lot of information from this course. The user experience is one of the most important aspects of any company's online presence. It's no surprise that companies are devoting more time and resources into improving the UX. In this free online course, you will learn how to use Adobe XD to create a sample bank website with a feature-rich user interface and UX design. By completing this course, you become a pro at creating user-friendly web and mobile app. So enroll now. So this is another course that comes highly recommendable. Do make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description. So it comes with 3 course modules, and you can see the topics that will be talked about in this module 1. Module 1 talks about the basic of design and product wireframing, while the second one talks about product design, prototyping, and sharing. And after that, you can now go ahead and do the course assessments, which will also earn you your certificate. So 100%, 100%, 100%, exactly. So that's a review from Olawale there. Okay, so we've looked at three courses which are actually free. So if you are really interested in improving your skills or understanding what UX and UI design, user experience design is, do make sure you check out all of these courses. So you can go ahead and watch all the 3 courses I've recommended to you so far, because they are free courses. Exactly. So if finance is a challenge for you, you don't need to worry. Just come on here and then check out some of these and just click on the links. The links are in the description, and get started with these courses. Okay, so now let's look at the last one. So the last one is complete web and mobile designer. That's UI and UX, Figma, and more. Okay, so it said become a UX and UX designer, master mobile and web design, user interface plus user experience. So if you look at this particular course, it's actually a bestseller course in this category, and then about 33,000 ratings with 162,000 students enrolled so far. So if you come on this page, you see these are things that you are going to learn. Build beautifully designed web and mobile projects for your customers using modern tools used by top companies. Exactly. So these and much more are what you're going to be learning in this video. So it has about 24 hours. That's the total length of everything. So this is a course content of everything that you're going to be learning in this particular course. Sketching, inspiration, user flow, sitemaps, wireframe, prototyping. So you see that some of these things was also mentioned in Adobe XD. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, prototyping, wireframing. So this course also is offering that 2024 updates for the section, and then spacing and grid. So if you click here, you see more of the course contents for this particular course. So this is a paid course which actually costs $17.99, approximately $18. So this is actually at a discounted price. You can see it's 6% off because of Black Friday. So the price might be a little different depending on when and where you are watching from, but just know that it's a great value for money. So do make sure you check it out. So these are the 4 courses that are actually recommendable if you are interested in improving your knowledge or getting to understand what user experience is. Maybe you are learning it for, definitely you'll be learning it for, that you're learning for personal, or you want to take it as as a skill, or you want to increase your build on your portfolio, because these courses are going to be coming with certifications, exactly, which will definitely help your portfolio. So do make sure you check them out. I'll leave a link to the 4 courses in the description of this video. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you find value, or if you find the video helpful, and if you have any question or any comments for me, do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and then I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.